I make some toast. I make some toast.
I eat my cereal. I eat my cereal.
I drink tea every morning.
I cut a banana. I cut a banana.
I put butter on my bread. I put butter on my bread.
My coffee is hot. My coffee is hot. Ah.
I eat an apple.
Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready.
I need some milk. I need some milk.
These eggs are good. These eggs are good.
I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice.
I like pancakes. I like pancakes.
I wash the strawberries. I wash the strawberries.
I am hungry. I am hungry.
I put jam on my toast. I put jam on my toast.
I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper.
This tea tastes good. This tea tastes good.
I peel an orange. I peel an orange.
I am full now. I am full now.
Breakfast was great.